Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Abrar Rashid with another important video for you guys. And in this video, I am going to explain the easiest way to get personal loan if you are in need of some urgent money to pay some debt or for your personal use, how you can apply for the personal loan and what is the requirement and who is eligible. First of all UAE residents and nationals, that means citizens, are eligible to apply for personal loan. And the most important part is that you have to have a monthly salary between 3,000 to 15,000 K, that means 15,000 UAE dirham. And in order to apply for a loan, you have to visit your bank, and the company you are working for should be listed with those banks. If you find out that your company is not listed, then you should ask your bank officials that what can you do, and they will guide you properly. Mostly major companies are registered with or listed with major banks in UAE, and in this case I am talking about Dubai or Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah. In order to get personal loans, I think the major requirements are the same whether you are living in Dubai or any other emirate. So number one is that your company should be listed. Number two, you should be resident of UAE or national. Number three is that you have to give your Emirates ID card. Number four is that you have to give them your salary transfer letter. Number five is that you have to give your bank the copy of your passport on which your resident visa is stamped. In order to qualify to get a loan, you should be between the age of 21 and 65 years, and that is very important because if you are under 21, you won't be eligible to apply for a loan, or if you are above 65 years of age, then you won't be able to get loan either. The loan you will apply for is, my suggestion is that do not apply for a loan that exceeds 20 times of your salary. It should be between 5 to 10 times. Like if your salary is 5,000, so you should apply for somewhere between 25,000 dirham to 50,000 dirham, and make sure that the monthly installments should not exceed 48 months. So 48 months is, I think, and then the bank will decide whether you will reach the age of retirement by then, or you will have the same job by then, and then they will decide that whether they will give you a loan, a certain amount of loan, and divided by 48 monthly installments. Now there are different banks, and every bank has a different interest rate depending upon which bank you are applying to. It varies from 2.5% to 5.5%. So make sure that the bank you are applying to has lower interest rate. And I would suggest that the best banks that offer good, loan or with good conditions for the person who is trying to get loan is three banks, rather four banks: NBD, National Bank of Dubai, Dubai Islamic Bank, Mashriq Bank, and Ras Al Khaimah Bank. I would suggest these four banks, which are good, in order to, if you are fulfilling all the requirements, you won't be facing any hassle or hardship in order to obtain those loans. and once your loan is approved, it will be directly deposited to your personal account. And another thing that I forgot to tell you, that you must have a current account with a bank. Obviously, all the banks in UAE and Dubai, they are approved by the central bank of UAE. And there is another point that I noted over here, is that you have to get a NOC for your loan from your company, that you can get from your HR department. So in nutshell, if you have a salary between 3,000 dirham to 15,000 or 10,000 dirham, and if you are in need of 20, 25, 30,000 dirham loan, it's very easy to obtain it, provided you fulfill all the requirements which I have mentioned. Number one, you should be UAE resident or national. Number two, that you are in that age group, 21 to 65 years old, and if your company is listed with the bank. I think it's pretty easy, but you have to visit. I would suggest you can even apply online, but I think it's better that you visit your bank, and they will tell you each and everything that you require. And if your company is not listed, then they will guide you how can you apply. If your company is not listed with that particular bank, then you can go to another bank. Probably your company is registered with that bank. So I think I have explained it according to best of my knowledge, and those who are wishing to get a loan, so all I can say is best of luck and thank you very much. But do not forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you very much again. Goodbye.